हाय फ्रेंड, नमस्कार। मैं विपुल कंपनी लॉ अपडेट में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। गुजरात आरओसी ने इन द मैटर ऑफ द ट्विनवाल ई व्हीकल इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के केस में सेक्शन 12 के वायलेशन पर पेनल्टी ऑर्डर इम्पोज की है, नॉन मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द रजिस्टर ऑफिस। तो आइए देखते हैं। इस केस का फैक्ट्स ये है कि कंपनी है जो गुजरात में रजिस्टर है और इन्होंने आरडी का जो उन्होंने एक लेटर इशू किया था शिफ्टिंग ऑफ द रजिस्टर ऑफिस फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात टू स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, वो लेटर उनका रिटर्न हो गया था विथ रिमार्क्स नोट डिलीवर एड्रेसी मूव्ड। And in this case, Learn Directorate has issued instruction to ROC Ahmedabad to take necessary action for violation of the Companies Act 2013. It appears that company has not maintained its register office in compliance of Section 12 of the Companies Act, which is violation of Section 12 of the Act and which attract penal provision of Section 12 subsection 8 of the Companies Act. आइए देखते हैं सेक्शन 12(1) सबसेक्शन 1, 4 एंड 8 जो है क्या कहता है इसमें। सेक्शन 12 सबसेक्शन 1 कहता है ए कंपनी शैल विद इन 30 days ऑफ इट्स इनकॉर्पोरेशन एंड एट द ऑल टाइम्स देयर आफ्टर हैव ए रजिस्टर ऑफिस कैपेबल ऑफ रिसीविंग एंड एक्नॉलेजिंग all communication and notices as may be addressed to it. And further subsection 4 of section 12, notice of every change of situation of the registered office verified in the manner prescribed after the date of incorporation of the company shall be given to the registrar within 30 days of the change, who shall record the same. And section 12 subsection 8, if any default is made in complying with the requirement of the section, company and every officer who is in default shall be liable to a penalty of 1000 rupee for every day during which the default continues, but not exceeding 1 lakh rupees. In so-called notice and reply and personal hearing and adjudication on notice dated 17th November 2021 were issued to the company and its officer in default for violation of section 12 subsection 1 and subsection 4, but no reply received from the company and directors till date. The aforesaid adjudication notice dated 17th November 2021 addressed to the company has also returned back undelivered with the postal remarks left. Thereafter, a written notice dated 17th December 2021 were issued to the company and its officer in default as per section 454 subsection 4. Read with rule made thereunder, and if hearing was fixed for 23rd December 2021. Letter issued to the company has returned back undelivered with the postal remark left. None of the representative of the company or directors have either furnished their suitable reply or have appear on the date so fixed. Hence, as per the rule 3 sub rule 7 of the company's adjudication of penalties rule 2014, the matter is being proceeded with in the absence of such person. Under above circumstances, undersigned has reasonable cause to believe that the company and its officer have failed to maintain its register office or failed to the file notice of change of situation of the register office within 30 days of the change as per requirement of section 12 subsection 1 and subsection 4 of the Companies Act. Date of default in the matter has taken as 23rd July 2021, the date on which the letter dated 19th July 2021 issued by the regional director has received back undelivered. Default is continuing one from 27th July 2021 to 23rd December 2021. तो वो जब आरडी का लेटर अनडिलीवर है उस डेट से लेके जब डेट ऑफ हेयरिंग है वहाँ तक इसको कंटिन्यूइंग डिफॉल्ट में काउंट किया गया है। आइए देखते हैं ऑर्डर क्या पास किया गया। वाइल एडजुडिकेटिंग क्वांटम ऑफ पेनल्टी अंडर सेक्शन 12 सबसेक्शन 8, एडजुडिकेटिंग ऑफिसर शैल ड्यू रिगार्ड amount of disproportionate gain or unfair advantage whenever quantifiable made as a result of default, and second, amount of loss caused to an investor or group of investor as a result of default and repetitive nature of default. In first case जहाँ amount of disproportionate gain और unfair advantage, तो ये रिकॉर्ड से में अवेलेबल नहीं है ये कितना है, तो ये जो है लॉस और कॉज टू द investor in default of this nature is difficult to quantify for unfair advantage. And second, from as on balance sheet as on 31st March 2020, paid up capital of the company 4.9 crore and turnover 38.5 crore. Hence the company does not come under the ambit of the small company. Therefore, lesser penalty under section 446B of the Companies Act shall not apply to the company. And third, considering the facts and circumstances, after taking into account the factor above, undersigned has reasonable cause to believe that the company and its officer have failed to maintain its register office as per the requirement of section 12 subsection 1 of the Companies Act. I hereby impose a penalty on company and directors as per the table below. तो यहाँ पर in the opinion of the ROC is penalty is commensurate with the aforesaid failure committed by a notice. तो कंपनी पे यहाँ पर जो है आपका 153 डेज का जो डिफ़ॉल्ट इन्होंने किया है 153 डेज इंटू 1000 1,53,000 आता है, तो मैक्सिमम पेनल्टी 1 लाख तक जा सकता है इस सेक्शन में. तो 1 लाख ऑन कंपनी एंड 3 डायरेक्टर पे 1 लाख ईच फॉर द कंटिन्यू डिफॉल्ट. मैक्सिमम जो पेनल्टी है इम्पोज किया गया है यहाँ पे. नोटिस शैल पे द अमाउंट पेनल्टी इंडिविजुअली बाय द कंपनी एंड इट्स डायरेक्टर बाय वे ऑफ ई पेमेंट अंडर पे मिसलेनियस फी एंड इन्फॉर्म MCA within 90 days of the payment, 90 days of this order, and file form INC 28 on MCA. And further, if in case of the appeal within the 60 days from the date of receipt of this order, inform ADJ sitting for ground and appeal shall be accompanied by certified copy of the order. Further, in case of non-compliances of this order by the company, in that case, company shall be punishable with fine which shall not be less than 25,000, which may extend to 5 lakh rupees. And in case of the director who failed to comply with this order, in that case, punishable imprisonment which may extend to 6 months or fine which may not less than 25,000, but which may extend to 1 lakh or both. In case of section 454 subsection 8, in the event of non-compliance of this order, which provide that in case of default in payment of the penalty, a prosecution will be filed under section 454 subsection 8(2) of the Companies Act at your own cost without any further notice. This is the copy of the order. Generally, बहुत से कंपनी हैं जो रजिस्टर ऑफिस मेंटेन नहीं कर पाते या आप ऐसे जगह पर रजिस्टर ऑफिस रखते हैं जहां पर वो मतलब एक्चुअल में रजिस्टर ऑफिस नहीं रखते हैं. तो मतलब किसी भी बिल्डिंग में हम डाल देते हैं डायरेक्टर के पुराने बिल्डिंग में या कहीं पे या फिर कहीं ऐसे जगह पे जहां पर हम ऑफिस रखते ही नहीं. तो इसके लिए ध्यान देने वाली बात है ये चीज़. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस अपडेट.